Watch this.
This cologne stopped me from buying the $200 one. It's called L'Homme. Smells warm, kind of woodsy, like the expensive stuff, honestly.
I created this entire 30-second TikTok shop ad in minutes from a single perfume photo, complete with an AI presenter, voiceover, and editing. This is Supercool, an all-in-one creative studio to create text, images, video, and music. And in this video, I'll show you how to use it to create high-performing TikTok shop ads using only a product image and a detailed prompt. You can find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. After logging in, you'll need to enter a prompt explaining what kind of video you want with details about the style, target audience, dialogue, and visuals. For mine, I asked it to make a TikTok shop video for the perfume. I also mentioned the language and accent I wanted, told it not to add any background music, and asked it to include a call to action encouraging viewers to click the product link. I also asked the AI to give me a few hook and script options before generating the final video. The full process usually takes around 20 to 30 minutes. As the AI works, the platform shows you what it is creating at each stage, so you can follow the progress and catch any issues along the way. One thing to keep in mind is that generating a single image costs 64 credits, while video generation costs 183 credits per second. Here, it gave me 3 hook options, just as I requested. I chose the one I liked most, and from there, the AI took over by generating the scenes, dialogue, and individual frames for the video. It also showed me preview images throughout the process, which made it easier to check whether anything looked off. The AI may also ask you a few questions along the way, so it is a good idea to keep an eye on the screen. Once all the scenes are ready, the platform combines the individual clips and edits them into one complete video. Once the video is ready, click the download button to save it. And that's it, your TikTok shop video is ready to use. Here's the final result.
This cologne stopped me from buying the $200 one. It's called L'Homme. Smells warm, kind of woodsy, like the expensive stuff, honestly.
Overall, the video turned out pretty well, but there were a few noticeable issues though. For example, the lamp in the background kept turning on and off, and the character's mouth movements did not always match the dialogue perfectly. Still, I think most of these issues could be fixed with regenerations and a little editing. You can also use the tool to create other viral video formats, like anime videos and Lego minifigure dramas. When it comes to pricing, there's no free plan now. The paid options start with the mini plan at $15 per month, which includes 8,000 credits. Overall, Supercool AI does a good job of turning a single product image into a complete TikTok shop video without requiring any filming or hours of manual editing. But mind you, the video generation can use up credits very quickly, so you need to be careful about how you spend them. So try out Supercool using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.